In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Claude to craft the perfect replies for your Slack conversations. If you find yourself staring at a busy thread and struggling to find the right words, this integration is going to be a total game changer for your daily workflow. The first thing you need to do is open your Claude chat window where you normally type your messages. Look toward the left side of the chat bar and you will see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that icon to open up your integration options. You will see a toggle switch labeled Slack, so make sure you flip that to the on position to enable the connection. Now that the tool is active, it is time to give Claude your instructions. Copy the specific Slack message you need to respond to and paste it right into the chat. Right below the message, type out a clear prompt. You should tell Claude to draft a response to this Slack message while keeping the tone concise, friendly, and professional. It helps to be specific, so ask for a short reply of 1 or 2 sentences or even a couple of bullet points if the topic is more detailed. Always remember to tell Claude to end the response with a clear next step so the project keeps moving forward. Once you hit enter, Claude will generate a high-quality draft for you to review. Take a second to read through it and make sure it sounds like you. If everything looks good, you have 2 easy choices. You can either click the Send to Slack button to post it directly into the conversation thread, or you can simply copy and paste the text manually if you want to add a few final personal touches. This process ensures you stay productive without losing the professional edge in your team communications. Thank you so much for watching this guide, and stay tuned for more tips to help you master AI tools in your home office every day.